Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 12, Problems About Comparing. So we're going to be comparing two numbers, and then we're going to be doing elapsed time problems. So what that means, that looks kind of scary. The word elapsed means time that's already passed. So we'll have two different times that we're probably going to find out how long it is between them, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and dive in. This is the practice set for Lesson 12. You'll find it on page 85 of your Saxon Course 2 textbook. All right, we're not doing the four-step method. We cannot be contained by the four-step method. Let's see if we can figure this out because we're smart people. A says the number 1, okay, what is this? Is this hundreds, thousands, millions, billions? So 1 billion is how much greater than 25 million? So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to subtract these to find the difference. You're looking for the difference, and that's the answer to a subtraction problem. What's funny about this, while I'm writing this out, that's million, that's billion, and then we have 25 million, subtract, is that these numbers don't fit in your calculator. So they're going to require you to either write them out or figure out another way of using your calculator. But these are too big for our four function calculators. What type of problem is this? This is a comparing problem. We're comparing two numbers. And all of these are zeros until we get to here. Okay, so I'm going to have to start borrowing. That's 0. That's going to be 9. That's going to be 9. That's 10. So that's 5. 9 minus 2 is 7, and then the 9 comes down. So it's 975 million more than 25 million, and that's my answer. Let's change colors and do B. How many years were there from 1215 to 1791? This is one of your elapsed time problems, which basically means time is involved in the problem. So from 1791 to 1215, how many years is that? We're going to use our calculator to subtract, and I get 576 years, more than twice the age of the United States. Interesting. All right. C. John F. Kennedy was elected president in 1960 at the age of 43. In what year was he born? Okay. So this is interesting because in 1960 he was 43, and we want to know what year he was 0, right? The year he was born. So we're going to subtract 43 from this to find out what year he was born. So 1960 minus 43 is 1917. Wow, okay, cool. D. Write a word problem about comparing that fits this equation. 58 inches minus 55 inches equals D. Let's see. Coach G wants a 55-inch poster. She has a 58-inch sheet of paper. How much should she cut off? That makes sense, right? E. Write a word problem about elapsed time that fits this equation. Let me change. 2003 minus something is 14. So we'll use one of my kids. Caleb was born in 2003. Wait, this is not going to work. Hold on a minute. I'm going to pause because I think okay, scratch that. Erase. He was born in 2003, but this is not going to work for him. So, sorry guys, we start over. So, let's pick someone we know. Let's pick, well, we can pick Coach Mitch, but this is not accurate either. Or we can pick Mrs. Lavelle. Let's pick Miss Fitchie. This is not accurate about Miss Fitchie, but so we'll say Fitchie is 14 years old in 2003. When was Fitchie? And if you don't know Fitchie, she's our music director at school. When was Fitchie born? Now, this is untrue. She was not actually born in this time, but because the answer to this is going to be 1989, and Fitchie and I are the same age, so that's not exactly when we were born, but that's a word problem about elapsed time. So let me see if we have any more. That would be awesome. Nope, we don't. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, please let me know. Please understand that for the next 2 weeks, we are going to be working on this type of problem. So if you don't get it 100%, that is okay. We're going to get it together. All right, have a great day.